Get an $800 Roomba for $10? It's possible. Hey guys, welcome back to Do It on a Dime.
If you're a cheapskate, stick around. I'm going to show you how you can buy virtually anything from electronics to home supplies right now at a discount from Amazon. Some of these are returned items, they're overstock, and what happens is they're bought by brokers, and they open mom and pop shops or some of the bigger box shops to have liquidation salvage. What is a bin store? These have gotten really popular in the last 6 to 8 months. There's probably one near you. I'm gonna link it down below, don't you worry. You can buy all of these items at a fraction of the retail price. Yes, a Roomba for $10. That can happen. Let me show you how.
This is how I plan to do a ton of my holiday shopping. Whew, let's back up. I went for the very first time to a bin store in my location, which is Charlotte, North Carolina, and these, lots of them are just opening up. It's called WhereYabin. What happens at these stores, at this one on Friday, the doors open at 10 a.m. and all of these items are put out on the floor and everything is the same price, no matter what the item is. So you could find laptop TVs, flat screens for like $10. And here are the secrets for when you go into store. First, check out the bins on multiple days. These stores usually work on a sliding scale. The store I went to starts off at $14 on Friday, and then every day thereafter the price decreases all the way down to 25 cents. This is actually the first day that I went.
Is that the color of my hair? No idea. I don't know half the things I'm looking at. This is our first time here. We've never come. I had no idea what to expect. I found a pair of ballerina shoes for $1.
I learned a lot because I was able to talk to some of the people who were shopping, and they said you have to come back on one of the first days where they first put the merchandise out to see what's available. So what did I do? I bought a Harry Potter wand, which turns out was pretty magical.
We came back. Today is $14 day, and when we just came in, I heard there were 4K projectors for $14. Obviously, we came a little late because I had to drive in with Kathy. Say hi, Kathy. But we're gonna see what they have. Follow me. Let's just go. I mean, you don't even know what's in half these boxes. Okay.
There weren't too many people there, and I found everybody to be really kind and helped each other out, especially with what things were actually worth.
Scuba Gear, a whole set of Scuba Gear. This definitely retails for a lot more than that. A ring light, this retails for well more than $14, and you really want to time your days because some of these items I know in my head how much I'm saving, if I want to come back and try to look for it later, or if it's worth it at this price point. This looks really great. These retail for $99 and they're $14 here. That's crazy.
There are 3 ways to maximize your savings in a bin store, and the first is don't judge a book or a box by its cover.
When you're shopping at these stores, go ahead and pull up your Amazon app. We're gonna scan the outside of the boxes because sometimes you can't tell what's inside. You know what it is if you're getting a good deal, plus you can see the reviews.
Lots of these boxes look like random stuff, but on all of them there is a barcode. What you can do is scan this into your Amazon app and it's going to pull up similar products, so you can decide if it's a good deal.
Green. The sneakers that she had, none of the Amazon labels worked, but when she put in the UPC, found out that it was a $159 pair of sneakers that she's getting for $14.
And then this here, look at this deal. If you were redoing a kitchen or a bathroom, they have all of this gorgeous hardware. This is $14.
And most of these stores are going to have stations that you can go to where they will open the box for you to see if that item is something that you want.
So Nimbus is gonna help me out today, finding everything that's in here. I'm very glad. Oh, this is a good deal. Yes. This is a really, okay, so these retail for like $60 to $80. This is a fabulous deal for your garage. I will take it.
All right,
Yeah.
sounds good.
So this has none of the pieces with it. So this is a no, even though it's worth $60. We're not getting that one.
I had been looking for a countertop water heater for forever, but I did not want to shell out $100 for one from Amazon. I actually found one at the bin store. I was so excited. Some of the pieces were a bit strewn about. This can happen sometimes if people open the boxes like they shouldn't be doing, but I was able to get an awesome deal on this product. The best scores from these stores are going to be electronics and name brand clothes and shoes. I know that sounds crazy, but if you can find them in your size, you can get some really good deals. And I like to think in my head, on the day that I'm there, is this worth $10? And I usually double check online. And sometimes if it's not, you can come back on a day when the price has been lowered to see if the product that you want is still there. I found so many people in this store having so much fun. We were laughing. I met viewers. Tons of the people in the store, it was their first time shopping. So don't be intimidated. Lots of people have never done this before. This is kind of a new trend and really, really fun.
This is a TikTok thing.
Really?
Have you seen these?
No.
And they repeat everything that you say and then they dance.
Yeah!
Okay, I'm like living my best life. The number of organizing products is absolutely insane. This pack of bins, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them. These are so beautiful. This is coming home with me. Also, tons of the viral organizing products. Remember this organizer that I recently showed you guys in a video? This is here. This is for your foil, your wax, your plastic. These are awesome. And this silicone Ziploc food bag. This retails for $52. That's insane. I'm buying both of these things and I'm really happy about it.
If you're enjoying this, leave it a thumbs up. It lets me know you want more content like this. What you may find in some of these stores are sourcers. These are people who come and purchase products to resell at other locations. The store that I was shopping at, and lots of them around the country, are trying to get away from only a couple of people getting the best products. And the way that they do this is have a lottery system for getting into the store.
And this is on the day that it opens after a new shipment. So it's the highest value day. They assign people a number when they come to the store, and if they roll a dice and your number comes up, you get to go in, so you don't necessarily have to be in the front of the line. If you decide to come later in the day like we did, or on a different day after the price goes down once the inventory has been sitting out, there really is no line, you can just walk in. So it really depends on what you're looking for.
I found that the managers were super nice and there were lots of trade secrets. One of them is that my particular store does a mystery box, and that's all of the 25-cent items, lots of them that they couldn't sell on that final day. They throw into this box. Some of them are really cool niche products, so you can find them at a really awesome discount. This is one of those stores that I could see myself visiting a lot.
This is just a friendly reminder, no card, only cash.
But I definitely should not make it my day job.
Cash. No cash on my card.
Take two. Take two.
And here's what I went home with. Let's go.
I brought home this gorgeous vanity mirror, which was effectively 50% off. Of course, I had to get the ring light. These retail for $40. I'm excited to use these solar lights for a DIY. These garlands retail for $67. How cool it was to get them for under 15 bucks. You guys saw I had to bring home the organizing bins and of course the silicone holders. And these water bottles are 20 to 30 bucks, but I didn't pay that. This coffee kettle is probably my favorite. It is so beautiful and I'm so glad to have a proper coffee maker.
If nobody's told you today, you are enough. I'll catch you soon.
This is 25-cent day, friends, and even then, I don't know.